Radhe Radhe. In this video, we will be learning an advanced transition. This advanced transition will be broken up into two parts. Now, in the first part, the bowls that will be used are ta, remember, combination of da and na, then TaKa and TerikiT. These are all bowls that you should already know. If you want more insight on these bowls, then you can look on the basic bowls video, or my brother did a TaKa TerikiT video, which you can also reference to. Now, how are the bowls sequenced in this transition? So, in this transition, we will be also using a silent bowl, which I will identify as a. So, how will these bowls be sequenced? A, dha, TerikiT, TaKa, TerikiT, TaKa, TerikiT, TaKa, TerikiT. Let me say that again. A, dha, TerikiT, TaKa, TerikiT, TaKa, TerikiT, TaKa, TerikiT. So now, let's move on to the second part of our transition. What are the bowls that will be used in this second part of the transition? Tak, and then it's going to be the transition. TaKiT, tak, TaKiT, TaKiT, ta, na, ge, na. Now, if you do not know this transition, please reference to this video right here. If you remember in that video, I talked about how the TaKiT, tak, TaKiT, TaKiT, ta, na, ge, na, that can be elongated to 24 beats or 32 beats. So in this transition, I prefer to use the 24 beat form, but you can use either the 16 or 32 if you prefer that. Okay, so how will these bowls be sequenced? Tak, 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 TaKiT, tak, TaKiT, TaKiT, tak, TaKiT, TaKiT, ta, na, ge, na. I'll say that again. Tak, 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 TaKiT, tak, TaKiT, TaKiT, tak, TaKiT, TaKiT, ta, na, ge, na. Okay, so how will this whole transition be sequenced? A, dha, TerikiT, TaKa, TerikiT, TaKa, TerikiT, TaKa, TerikiT, tak, 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 TaKiT, tak, TaKiT, TaKiT, tak, TaKiT, TaKiT, ta, na, ge, na. A, dha, TerikiT, tak, TerikiT, tak, TerikiT, tak, TerikiT, tak, 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 TaKiT, tak, TaKiT, TaKiT, tak, TaKiT, TaKiT, ta, na, ge, na. So when will we use this transition in a bhajan? Now this is very important. If this transition is not used right, or is used too many times, it can be disturbing and distracting for sadhaks. So what are the times that we should use this transition? Now, we have to be on the same page as the singer. If the singer wants the tempo to increase, we use this transition. When we use this transition, the momentum will automatically go up and the hype will be made. Okay, so antara and style-wise, when do we use this transition? This transition is best used going from the antara to the style. So let me show you an example in a bhajan. Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe, Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe, As you can see, that increased the hype of the bhajan and the momentum automatically went up. So this transition is very useful, and if used right, is very good. Thank you for watching this video. Radhe Radhe. Please like and subscribe to the RMDU channel, and comment if you want to learn something new. Radhe Radhe.